students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Nikhil Raj. So now today we'll be discussing about coordinate geometry. So coming to the basics of coordinate geometry, using coordinate geometry we can specify a position of an object or a point. So as you can see over here, this is a plane and two perpendicular lines are intersecting each other, and so these two perpendicular lines are called as axes, and the horizontal line is called the x-axis and the vertical line is called the y-axis, and they both intersect at a point called origin. And this is the positive x-axis where all the positive units lie over here, and this is the negative x-axis where all the negative points lie over here, and this is the positive y-axis and this is the negative y-axis. So these two perpendicular lines divide the plane or divide the Cartesian system into four parts. That is, we call it as four quadrants, and the naming for these quadrants are: this specific quadrant is called as first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. As the points are positive over here, so the point are positive and positive over here. If I locate a point over here, that is 2, 2. So this point will be positive 2, positive 2. I will be naming the point as A. So A we denote it as 2, 2, and in here it is the negative. So it is the negative x coordinate and it is positive y coordinate. So my point B will be minus 2, 2, and here the both will be negative. Both the points are negative, and here one is positive and another is negative. So while denoting a point, first we should denote the first place for x. For x-axis units we should assign the first place, and for the second we have to assign y. Similarly over here. So let us take a simple example, like we have a point over here and here. So I have to take first the coordinate, the unit which is on x. So the unit which is on x is 3. So 3, and next comes the y. Y is minus 5. So this is my point C, which is 3, 5, and these are called as coordinates of C. So the coordinates of C are 3, 5. The x coordinate is called as abscissa, and the y coordinate is called as ordinate. So the abscissa of point C is 3 and the ordinate of point C is minus 5. You may expect some problems on this. So we'll be continuing the further topics in the next video.